guys and dolls and unicorns and everybody out there in La La Land. I got a Project Sweetwater box. It's not an opening because y'all know I'm impatient and I cannot wait. And I will not wait. So, what I'm going to do is show y'all this Project Sweetwater box. And this is a quarterly subscription and I love it. I love it, love it, love it. And I think I'm not a quilter, I am a fabric hoarder. I try to make projects, hence the CME from the Fat Quarter Shop. This is actually a sew sampler box and it's the first time I've ever done paper piecing. And it takes a lot of patience, but the more I did it, the more I found that it was actually easier to do. It's not that hard. It just takes patience and a lot of seam ripper and glue, and make sure you sew it the right way because I always don't. Hence the seam ripper. Okay, so this is a quarterly subscription. It's www.thesweetwaterco.com. I love this box, like I said, and this is yo-yo quilts. My aunt, she's passed away now, but I would go to their house sometimes in the summer and she had a yo-yo quilt. And it was covered on her bed and I always wanted to know how to do it, and now look. I can. All right. So, what you get in this box is, it's got 2 projects in it this month. Sometimes it has more projects, but this time it has a couple of projects, and the reason why it only has 2 is because they wanted to create a larger project, and they designed this beautiful throw quilt that uses almost all the fabric included in the box. So you may not have enough of the fabric to do both, but the fabric collection is called Renew, and this contains 2 yards of Renew fabric, 8 prints. It's kind of like a panel of fat quarters. There's 2 yards of fat quarters on there, and the Renew charm pack, a label sheet, the pattern pack, and a sweet treat. And I ate the sweet treat. What's this? Smartie lollipop. I love Smarties. Sorry, can't show you that. I already ate it. Okay, so we'll start with, okay, this is the table runner if you don't want to do the quilt. Some people don't like yo-yos. I love them, probably because I've never done them and I like the look of them, and probably won't like it after I try it. This is the table runner, and that's the very end of the table runner, and you use your labels to put your different labels on your flower pots. It's so cute. It's so cute. And here is your Renewed charm pack, and let's see, it's also the colors. It reminds me of the colors in the chicken one they had. It's the same colors as the chicken one. But you have to go on their website. Y'all need to go and sign up on these newsletters. The Fat Quarter Shop newsletter, the Missouri Star newsletter, the Sweetwater newsletter. That way you can get, you know, and you don't have to keep looking at their website. You'll know when you get sales. I always check the flash sales. They've been having really good sales lately at Missouri Star and Fat Quarter. They've been having jelly rolls on sale, and that's when I buy my stuff, is when it's on sale. This is a quarterly subscription. It's not, and I don't know the price of it, but not really that bad. I don't, it's not more than $45 or so. But then we have, this is the label sheet. and you can do whatever you want to with these labels. I've also got their subscription for the labels, and I have their ink subscription. And the ink subscription is different labels like this. They're iron-ons, and you sew them, you iron them onto your project, and then you can blanket stitch around them, zigzag stitch, straight stitch, whatever you want to do. You can put them on pillows, purses, wherever you want to put them. And this is the fabric for this month. This is, like I said, it is 4 fat quarters. 4 quarters equals a yard. There's one. There's the other. And then we have the green and the blue. Blue, yellow, blue. It just reminds me of the chicken. Spring chicken. Is that what it was? Spring chicken? Oh. All right. And then you have another one. This is a white on white. This is actually multicolored polka dots, circles. Then you have another of the main print with the happy and the sunshine, and all the cute little sayings, and just a brown. So that's another 4 back quarters. And so this box included the charm pack, the label sheet, the pattern pack, which is going to again include the yo-yo lap quilt, and then you have the table runner. Adorable. Oh my God, y'all need to get this box. And like I said, go on the newsletters and sign up, so when the box comes open again, you are able to get in on this quarterly subscription. Here is the whole table runner, picture of the whole table runner, if you wanted to see that. It's too cute, too cute. Love it, love it, love it. Thanks, you guys. And I have some more boxes to show you. Not unboxings, just reveals, if they're going to be already unboxed. Can't wait. All right, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye.